Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the edate formula, which returns the dates after a specified number of time from a start date given by you. For example, the start date is 2nd October 2011 and you want to add say 3 months to it. So what would be the end date? So you can use the edate formula is equal to edate, which says returns the serial number of the date that is indicated, that is the indicated number of months before or after the start date. So the start date is this, comma, month we can type in or select from here, and the answer is a serial number which you can then convert to a date by going to format cells and choosing a date format of your choice. And in this formula you can type in the date, select the date, or type in the number of months. If for example I can type in the number of months. Again, you can even have a date prior to your start date by using the minus symbol is equal to edate, choose this date, start date, and choose the month. Over here, though I have written plus, you can also go minus. So the answer would be a date prior to the start date. We can convert them. We can use the format painter to convert the formats. So this is C, date in July. So this is how we work with the edate formula in Excel. See you in the next video.